YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger. So, in today's video, I'm going to be doing this small account flip. And before we start, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Today is Christmas, and yeah, so I just want to give you guys a special treat that I did for the entire week. So, hope you enjoy, and let's get right into the video. So this is my first setup for the day, right? This is gold on the 15 minutes time frame. So I have a very nice setup here, and it's actually a bullish bias. So I'm also going to be using something else as well, which is the Fibonacci. Okay, so that's actually one way to actually get your entry right and also your exit right. So I'm going to be using it throughout to make my entries more precise. So remember, this is a very small amount here, so I'm not going to be day trading. I'm not going to be holding my trades for long. My stop loss will just be right in the middle of the Fibonacci. Okay, that's where my stop loss is going to be, right in the middle of that Fibonacci. So if you look at it right now, we have my TP1, which is my take profit 1, and we also have my take profit 2, which is up there. So everything has been complete, everything is set. It's time for me to place my trade. So since it's $2, I will need to go with, of course, the lowest lot size possible. If there is any lot size less than 0.01, I would be so happy to take it because this is gold. All right, so we just have to wait until we have any room. So this is my stop loss. You see, that's where my stop loss is. So everything is balanced. All right, I have enough room to breathe. I have enough room to, calm my head, calm my nerves, and there we go. All right, so we finally closed at $5, which is okay. So $7 right now. I have a setup for another pair, and here is the setup. So this is Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin has been really messy in a couple of days, and I'm so happy it's not in the weekend right now. It's not weekend right now, so I would be more worried because we trade on the weekend as well on the VIP. So I don't want it to give us a few pips. I need more pips, right? But this is not about pips right now. This is about sniper entry. Okay, so right now we have a sell setup, a sell bias. Okay, and this is on the H4 time frame. So $7 on the H4 time frame is very mighty. So look at my stop loss. If you look at the range, we have big stop loss levels, but remember, this is H4, right? So it's going to take time before the market even blow my account. That is one good part. That's why I chose this Bitcoin. By the way, one thing when you are trading small accounts is know your setup and know the currency pair that will fit the account at that very moment. That is very important. If you look at this right now, our TP1 has been hit, right? And look at it, $10 as profit. Now you might look at it like, oh, it doesn't make any sense. Why will it be $10? It should be more. But the answer is simple. It's the same thing. Assuming my SA was stopped, for example, you will notice that it will be a very long range as well. So yeah, always make sure that your TP, your SL is at a good range, and the currency pair you are using is not that fast or it's not aggressive for that particular account. If I have $1,000, I don't care. I won't even mind. I will just take trade on any pair that give me a good setup because I know I have the balance. I know I have the capital for it. You get my point. So this is GBP/JPY, and right now we also have a bullish bias. So our TP1 is right there, and also our TP2 is up there. So I'm just repeating myself to make sure you understand the concept, understand what I'm doing, right? It might look difficult, but of course, you seeing it already, you know it's working. It's something that works. It's something that makes sense, right? It's something that is alive. You get my point. So that's it. Now look at my SL level right there. So I'm using a very tiny SL when it comes to my risk. Okay, I'm not using big one, but yeah, I will be going full margin. I've not gone full margin since I do go 50% or 70%. I'm not going full margin. Yeah, that Bitcoin trade was full margin, but Bitcoin is kind of like, I made that explanation earlier. The stop loss level, like Bitcoin, give you more room to breathe compared to other pairs.
If it passes the blue, I am qualified for a payout. 5 months started last. I can't even talk straight. I stopped 5 months ago. They say it takes a year or two. They say it takes so long to get a payout. If it passes the blue, go. Just tick a little higher. Come on, mate. Couple of ticks away from the pay. No way. Yo, this thing is doing me dirty, yo. Well, doesn't seem like it's happening today. Yep, about to hit my break even. I didn't feel like losing on this trade. I didn't like this trade anyway.
Order filled.
Yep, well, we were close. I didn't lose anything though. This is a no risk trade. I was this close. Wow.
Alright, so his own SL was hit, but my TP was smashed. So that is the difference between Zamba and other traders. Alright, so we have $28 in profit, which is very good. As you guys can see, GBP/JPY, we are working on the big money. Okay, I know it's not big, but of course you get the point. So this one is bigger now compared to the one we saw last. I didn't close the trade back then. I just held the trade because I look at $20 is small. I need $30 and above. Makes sense. Now I have $50 to play with. I know it makes more sense now. In case I'm trying to take more better setups, it will, give me better results compared to what I have now. What I had before, right? So you see, my SL was not hit, right? Everything is just balanced, everything is there. That's why I left my Fibonacci there, right? Because my Fibonacci would just stay there wherever it is. If my SL is hit, congratulations. If my TP is hit, congratulations, right? So we also have a new setup, guys. And what is it this time? This time around, it's a bullish bias. Okay, so what does it actually mean? It means the market is going to go up, right? And the TP1 and TP2, the TP2 is actually right there. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you guys can see the entire chart, right? So yeah, this is it. I will have to use my calculated risk management technique. So right now I'll use this EURUSD. So I'm not gonna expect too much. EURUSD is slow but quite aggressive at a news impact. So news impact is coming soon, so I'm just waiting for it. So I just want to enter like 10 minutes before the news or 5 minutes before the news. So the market is already moving. The market has given me the best quality it presents, and I entered early. That's the good part. You see, where we took our trade is actually where the market started making moves, right? So assuming I waited a little bit, I would have missed the entire thing, but guess what? Entry early, your entries matters a lot, and your exit matters a lot. If you hold your trade at the wrong time, you might end up regretting your actions. So right now we have $154 already on us, and our TB2 is about to be hit. Just imagine, I would have held my trade, right? But no, discipline also matters. Okay, discipline is very, very important. If you are not disciplined, then I don't know what to say. But this is where your discipline really, really matters. Right now we have a very, very big trade on us on the 15-minute time frame. This is AUDJPY, and remember, the news is coming. So this whole, not all trades basically that I use high impact, but majority of these trades that I'm taking requires massive moves, massive stuff. So I need it. I need the massive moves. I need the massive stuff because I have a very little time to trade, and second, I have a small account to grow very fast. So that is why I prefer taking trades on a suitable level, 1, and also on a high impact zone, 2, and 3, make sure the pair is in correlation. Yes, there's something called forest correlation or forest pairs correlation. It actually means when other pairs that is tied to US dollar is in sync, meaning they are moving in the same direction, they are in perfect coordination. So that is where you make sure that you enter on a safe zone and time your entries, because if you don't, even when the market is in sync, is in harmony, for example, you are still going to have issue. Unbalanced ratio can come in when you trade, meaning a pair can go up and also a pair can come down, but they will be tied to US dollar.
Bang! Liquidity sweep, 2 nudes kissing at the top, ejaculation liquidity, and then we got the breaker structure, straight to TP, bang!
So I will also talk about forest correlation on other videos as well, but you get the idea. If USD DXY, which is the dollar index, is bullish, it means all US dollar pairs are gonna go bullish as well. So you need to know when they will go bullish, when they will be in line with the DXY, which is the dollar index. All right, so guys, that is it for this whole video. That is it for this account. Right now, my goal has been reached. $500 is the goal, but $600 was what I made. Anyways, I'm happy about it. If you enjoyed this video, do it to like, comment, and subscribe. And Merry Christmas once again to the Lion FS gang. I love you guys. Stay safe. Peace.
Custom on the beat.